Hi everybody and welcome to Feral Africa, where we show you how to build, grow and monetize your blog. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build a contact form using WP Forms. Just a disclaimer, some of our links are affiliate links both on our blog and also on this channel. Please give us a like and follow our channel if you want to see more of these tutorials. Let's head back into my office and let's go and have a look at how to build that contact form. So right now I'm in my WordPress dashboard. So let's begin by building a contact page in WordPress with WordPress Forms. Now WordPress Forms is one of the best WordPress contact form plugins available today. The reason I love WordPress Forms so much is because it's got a very easy drag and drop form builder, which means that you don't need any code. You simply drag and drop, and that's how you can edit beautiful forms. It's also responsive, which means that your contact forms will display perfectly on smartphones or tablets, and there's a lot of templates that you can choose from, so you don't have to design the form yourself. Alright, so with WordPress Forms, we're going to be installing the WordPress Lite, which is the free version, but you also get a WordPress Forms Pro, which is the paid version, which just means that you've got more functions. So the reason I'm going with the free one is so that it's not going to cost you anything to build your form. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is create a contact page. So it's going to be the page that you're going to be inserting your form onto or building your form onto. So you simply go to Pages, you go to Add New, and then we can name it. I'm just going to name it Contact Form, and I'm going to publish my form over there. Alright, so the next thing we've got to do is upload and activate the WordPress form plugin. Now there's two ways you can do this, and I'm going to show you both ways. The first one is you go to your plugin in your dashboard, go to plugin, and you're going to click there on Add New. And then it's going to bring you to this page, and so what you're going to do is you're going to go onto the search bar and you're going to type in WordPress Forms and you're going to click Enter. And you'll see there it comes up. So all that you have to do now is click on Install. Once it's installed, you're going to click Activate. Now I'm not going to do this right now because I want to show you the second way you can do this as well. The second way of doing this is going to WordPress.org website. So what you'll do is in the search bar, you'll go and search there WordPress Forms and you'll click Enter. And you'll see it'll bring it up in the search. So you simply click on it and you'll see there it is. So all you have to do now is download the contact form. Now you'll notice that this is a folder that's downloaded, but it's not in a zip format. So you are going to have to do that yourself. You cannot upload a folder in the plugin section if it's not in a zip format. So if you're in Windows, all you'll need to do is select the file that you want to zip, and you'll right click on one of the files and a drop down menu will appear. In the menu, click Send to and then select Compressed Zipped Folder, and then it'll create a zip file for you. If you want to create a zip file on Mac, you simply right click on the folder, you'll see a little drop down menu appear, and then you select Compress, and then your compressed file will appear. So now you're going to go back to your dashboard plugins, and at the top here you're going to see Upload Plugin. You're going to go to Choose, and you'll see there is your WordPress Zip Lite. So you're going to choose that and you're going to install now. Alright, and then you're going to get to this screen, and all you have to do is click on Activate Plugin. Alright, so now your plugin is uploaded and is activated. The next thing you've got to do is create your contact form. So you'll notice now in your dashboard there's a WordPress form has been added to this menu. So all that you need to go and do now is go click on WordPress Forms and then add new. Okay, so form name, so you'll have to name your form. So I'm just gonna call it contact form 1. So you'll see here that you can select any of these templates. So I'm simply going to select the create a simple contact form. And then you'll see it'll load it. So on the left hand side you can add a field. So you can maybe add a drop down. You simply drag and drop it into your field, into your form. You can even have multiple choice, whatever you like. If you don't like it, you just go to the bin and you just delete it. Alright, and I'm going to take this one away as well. So you'll notice that there's extra fields. You have fancy fields and also payment fields. So these are not available to you. These, you'll have to go onto the paid version to get access to these. So I'll have the link below if you're interested. If you're happy with your contact form, all you do is go save. Now there's two ways that you can embed this into your page. You can either click here at the top and you can select your existing page and you can say let's go, and it'll take you to your page where you want to embed the form. So all you need to do now is click on this add form here and then select contact form, the one that you've just created, select it and then go add form. And all you need to do is go update. Alright, and then the second way of adding in that or embedding that WordPress form is going back to your WordPress forms. And then you'll see here the one that you've selected, there should be a short code on your right hand side. So you just go and select it, copy it, and go back to the page that you created for your contact form. So we go there, edit, and you go and paste your short code in there and then click on update. Now before we go and view it, you just want to go and make sure that your contact form appears in your menu. So you go to appearance, click on menus, and you'll notice there that contact form isn't in here. So you're just going to go and click on it. Make sure you are working with the correct menu, which is the main menu, and you're just going to go add, and then there your contact form should be on your menu. Don't forget to save. Alright, now let's go and look what our contact form looks like. Okay, so if you see it's in our menu there, you click on it, and there it is. Now it's very important to always test your contact form before you have it live on your site. So the one thing that I always do, and this is very important, is to make sure that you've got the correct email address where your contact forms will go to. So to check that it's the correct one, it usually will send it to your admin email, but I usually go and I type it in physically just to make sure. So go back to the form that you've just created and then go click on edit. Alright, once you're in there, you're going to click on settings, you're going to click on notifications, and you'll notice there's send to email address. This is where you're going to be typing out your email address where you want your contact forms to go to. So once you've done that, you're just going to click on save. Alright, and once you've got that done, let's go test the form out. Alright, so we're going to go back to our site. going to go back to our contact form. Alright, you can just go and test it out here. Type in your name, last name, email, message, and then you can just submit and see if it works. And that is how you add a simple contact form to your WordPress site. So I really hope that you like this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to give us a like and follow us if you want to see more tutorials. Thanks for watching.